Hi everybody, welcome to Yoga with Vid. Today I'll be teaching you a yoga sequence that you can do right from the comfort of your bed. So whenever you're ready, hop onto your bed and let's get started.
Begin by coming into a seated position. The first posture we take here is to simply notice. We often move through life in such a hurry pace, always rushing to get to the next goal or destination. Take this time here to slow down, making the space your own. Gently interlace your fingers in front of you and slowly bring the hands above your head. Release the bind. Inhale, place your right hand on the bed for support and bend to your right, opening your shoulders and chest. Exhale back to center, hands interlaced. Now place your left hand on the bed for support and bend to your left, opening your shoulders and chest. Exhale back to center. Gently release the bind. Now place your right hand on the top of your head and slowly bend your neck towards your right. You will feel the stretch on the left hand side of your neck. We generally forget this muscle and the importance of its mobility. Now left hand goes onto the top of your head, gently moving it down. The stretch is now on the right side of the neck. Inhale as you gently tilt your neck backwards. Exhale and come back to neutral. Take a deep breath in and exhale, round the spine, chin into your chest. Inhale, lift your heart, shoulders roll down and look up. Exhale back to center. Bring your feet right in front of you with your legs straightened. Take a deep breath in as your hand goes up. Exhale as you melt down into your legs. Inhale, come up. Your left heel come to your pelvic area and the right leg is extended at a 60-degree angle in front of you. Take a deep breath in and grab your feet with your right hand as you exhale forward. Inhale, come up. Your right heel come to your pelvic area and the left leg is extended at a 60-degree angle now. Take a deep breath in, grab your feet with your left hand and exhale and fold forward. Inhale, slowly come up. Bring your legs together to touch. Place your hands a few inches behind your hips. Inhale as you raise your chest to the sky. Exhale, come back to neutral. On your next inhale, place your right feet as close as you can to your sit bones. Hook your left elbow to your right knee and look sideways or backwards. Release the bind and come back to center. Do the same thing on your opposite side. Hook your right elbow to the left knee. Exhale back to center. Come back into a seated position. Now gently walk your hands in front of you as you slowly soften your upper body. It is okay if your chest or head doesn't reach the bed. Stay where you are and make sure you're breathing. On your next inhale, start walking your hands to the right side of your body. Make sure your hip stays on the ground. Exhale back to center. Now walk your hands onto the left side of your body. Your hip stays on the ground. Inhale back to center. Come on up and sit back in a relaxed position. Roll your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now place both your palms on the knees and start rotating your body in circles. Feel that twist coming all the way around. Now begin to rotate anti-clockwise. You can use your hand here to get deeper into this twist. Come back into a seated position, taking a few deep breaths here. Feeling this breath really come and re-energize you. This life force moving through you, moving all around you. Thank you for joining me in today's session. Sending out this wonderful energy we created to all beings everywhere. Namaste.